Hello. In this video, I'm going to discuss a good set based on arrangement and with a different concept. So this is set third of our must solve question series. Let's start with the question. Six gamblers A, B, C, D, E, F go to casino event evening and sit around a circular table and play teen patti together. Every evening they sit around the circular table such that they sit on different seats from the previous evening and they sit neither adjacent nor opposite to the seat they sat on the previous evening. Now, first of all, let us work upon this information. ये information में क्या कह रखा है हमें? कि suppose these are the six seats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let me number them also. Okay, so suppose A comes on the first evening and A sat on this particular seat. Now on the second evening, when A will come, so he won't be able to sit on the adjacent seats and he won't be able to sit on the opposite seat as well. So A के पास क्या ऑप्शन बचेंगे? Now the only option that are left with A are seat number 3 and seat number 5. Fine. Now suppose एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. So suppose B comes on the first evening and he sits on the seat number 2. Now on the next evening we won't be able to sit on seat number 1 because these will be adjacent seats 1 and 3, तो यहाँ पर नहीं बैठ पाएंगे, and we won't be able to sit on seat number 5 as well. Reason being, this is the opposite one. So adjacent and opposite seats are not allowed. So the option that we have now is either seat number 4 or seat number 6. So from here we can see that anyone who is sitting on odd number seat on first day will be sitting on odd number seat always. Fine. Anyone who is sitting on even number seat on the first day will be sitting on even number seat always. एक बार दूसरा भी एक एग्जांपल लेके चेक करते हैं. Suppose C comes on the first day and C sits on seat number 3. Suppose. Fine. Now on the next day, C won't be able to sit on seat number 2 or 4 because these are adjacent seats. C won't be able to sit on seat number 6 because it is opposite. So the option that C have now is C can sit on seat number either 1 or 5. So again you can see that C started with an odd number position. So जब C के पास जो option रहेंगे वो odd number वाले ही रहेंगे. So this is the basic concept behind this particular question. Now let's move to the question part. So the first question is, if seats are numbered from 1 to 6, so the seats are numbered from 1 to 6. Let me number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And A sits on first seat and E sits on third seat. And all the gamblers came to casino and played teen patti for 10 consecutive evenings. Then how many times would A and E sit adjacent to each other during these 10 evenings? Now we need to place A and E adjacent. Now the option, now A is starting with odd number position 1. So the other options that A has is 3 or 5 seat number. क्योंकि odd से start किया है तो odd ही options है उनके पास हमेशा. And again, E is starting with position number 3, so E के पास options will be 1 and 5. Now see, there are no two positions out of this 1, 3, and 5 which are adjacent to each other. आप A को किसी भी position पे place कर दीजिए, जो E के पास option रहेंगे वो कोई भी ऐसा option नहीं है जहाँ पर seats will be adjacent to each other. So we can say that the answer to this particular question would be 0. ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं होगा जब वो A and E will be sitting adjacent to each other. Fine. Now moving to question number 2. If they came to casino and played teen patti over 7 consecutive evenings, and on 6th evening the order they set in was B, E, C, F, A, D. So the order was B, E, C, F, A, and D. Fine. In the clockwise direction, then how many possible combinations are available for the number of ways they could have set on first day? Now see, suppose this is seat number 1, this will be 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. ठीक है. Now हमें ये बताना है कि this was the arrangement for 6th day. Now on first day, how many seating arrangements were possible? Fine. Now see, there are two ways to solve this question. First one, यदि हम सोचें तो 6th day पर ये arrangement है तो 5th day पर क्या रहा होगा? But that is not the correct way to solve this question. Now see, there will be many options. कैसे? B first position पे है on 6th day, तो ऑन फिफ्थ डे बी के पास क्या क्या ऑप्शन रहे होंगे, इधर सीट नंबर 3 और सीट नंबर 5 ऑड नंबर पोजीशन की ऑप्शन रहे होंगे, राइट। इसी तरह इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ई, सो ई सिटिंग ऑन सीट नंबर 2 ऑन सिक्स्थ डे, तो फिफ्थ डे पर ई कहां हो सकते हैं, इधर ऑन सीट नंबर 4 और सीट नंबर 6। तो if we solve like this then there will be many options, है ना, तो हम सॉल्व कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, ठीक है। एक बार इस क्वेश्चन को दूसरे तरीके से सोचते हैं कि फर्स्ट डे पर हमें पता है ऑड पोजीशन पे कौन बैठे हैं, बी सी एंड ए, ये सिक्स्थ डे पर ऑड पोजीशन पर बैठे हैं, तो ये फर्स्ट डे पर भी ऑड पर ही रहे होंगे, क्योंकि जो भी फर्स्ट ऑड पोजीशन से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं वो हमेशा ऑड पोजीशंस पे ही आएंगे। And the ones who are starting with even position, they will be on even position always. So we can say that first day भी BCA odd positions पे रहे होंगे और first day जो even position पे रहे होंगे वो कौन रहे होंगे, E, F and D. Fine. Now what we need to do is we need to find the number of possible arrangements. Now see, there were 3 odd positions available and there were 3 students or the 3 players who want to occupy these positions. So there are a total of 3 factorial ways to do the same. And similarly, we have 3 even positions and 3 persons to sit on them. So again 3 factorial ways. So the total ways will be 3 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 6 into 6, which is equal to 36. So the correct answer to this question is 36. Okay, question number 3. If they came to casino on 10 consecutive evenings, then at least how many times would C have to sit at the same place? Now see, suppose C started with position number 1. So the other option that C have is position number 3 and 5. क्योंकि 3 ने odd से start किया है, so he will be sitting on odd number positions only. Now the question that they have asked is that at least how many times would C have to sit at the same place? Now see, at least how many times पूछा गया, so what we can do is we can rotate C on these 2 positions only. तो इस तरह से हम करें तो out of 10 consecutive evenings वो इस तरह से 5 times इसमें आया होगा और 5 times इसमें आया होगा, right? इधर 0 times आया है। But then the question जो हमसे पूछा गया उसका सेंस ये है कि मिनिमम एक ही प्लेस पर कितनी बार आए हैं C, तो आंसर हो जाएगा 5। बट क्या 5 से कम पॉसिबल अरेंजमेंट है? पॉसिबल कोई भी, एक बार चेक करते हैं। मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं आप लोग को। सपोज वी हैव 10 चॉकलेट्स, suppose you have 10 chocolates and you need to distribute these chocolate to 3 students A, B and C such that the number of chocolate given to any individual is minimum possible and you need to distribute all the 10 chocolates. Now यदि आप A और B को 5-5 दे देते हैं तो C को 0 आएगा, बट देन मिनिमम कितना रहा, हम 5 कंसीडर करेंगे, 5 तो देनी ही पड़ी, फाइन। यदि हम यहाँ पर 6-4-0 कर देते हैं तो आंसर वुड बी 6, देन 6 तो किसी को देनी ही पड़ी। यदि हम इन नंबर्स को, इन तीनों नंबर्स को मिनिमाइज करना चाहते हैं तो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी विल ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द चॉकलेट इक्वली, so we'll give 3 to A, 3 to B and 3 to C, बट अभी तक टोटल 9 ही हो रहा है, तो किसी एक को 1 चॉकलेट एक्स्ट्रा देना पड़ेगा। So the answer in that particular case would be 4. Now this question is very much similar to the case that I have solved just now. हमें 10 times C को पोजीशन अलॉट करनी है और इस तरह से करनी है कि मिनिमम नंबर हमें मिल जाए। तो सपोज वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन ही स्टार्टेड विद फर्स्ट पोजीशन, उसके बाद वो 3 पर जाते हैं, फिर 5 पर जाते हैं, फिर C इधर जाते हैं, फिर इधर जाते हैं, फिर इधर जाते हैं एंड सो ऑन। तो 9 टाइम्स हो चुका है और किसी एक पोजीशन पे वो 4 टाइम्स आएंगे, तो द आंसर इज 4, मिनिमम 4 टाइम्स किसी एक प्लेस पर उनको बैठना पड़ेगा। फाइन, नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. If they came to the casino on 11 consecutive nights, then at most how many times would A have to sit at the same place? Now see, this is a different question. अब जब at most आपको बैठना है ना, suppose A started with position number 1. Suppose A started with position number 1. So the other option that A have is to move on position number 3 and 5. Odd से start किया है, तो odd ही options available. Fine. Now A started from here. A second पर थर्ड नंबर वाली चेयर पे बैठ जाते हैं, सेकंड डे पर, थर्ड डे पर he again comes to chair number 1, फोर्थ डे पर he again moves to chair number 3 and so on. तो इस तरह से यदि हम मूव करते हैं, हमसे एटमोस्ट पूछा गया, राइट? तो आप देखेंगे कि A 6 टाइम्स फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर आ गए हैं एंड 5 टाइम्स वो इस पर थर्ड पोजीशन पर आए हैं, 0 टाइम्स वो फिफ्थ पोजीशन पर आए। अब हमसे मैक्सिमम पूछा गया था एटमोस्ट हाउ मेनी टाइम, तो द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी 6. फाइन, moving to next question. If seats are numbered from 1 to 6 in clockwise direction, okay, so the numbers are 1 to 6 in clockwise direction. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. And D cannot sit in sixth position. So D कभी भी यहाँ पर नहीं बैठ सकते हैं. And B cannot sit at position number 3. So if the order they set on first evening was E, D, C, A, B and F. This was the order on first day. Then who sat on seat 5 on third evening? So first में now इन्होंने हमसे कौन सी सीट का पूछा है? 5 सीट का. So basically we need to focus on odd number position only 1, 3, 5. Fine, because यही वो places हैं जहाँ पर ये लोग आपस में इंटरचेंज करने वाले हैं and even वाले आपस में इंटरचेंज करेंगे. So 2, 4, 6 will interchange among themselves and 1, 3, 5 will interchange among themselves. Now see, on first day, on first position it was E, on third it was C and on fifth it was B. अब second day की बात करते हैं. Second day पे B need to change his position. Now the option that B has is 1 only. Why 1 only? Because we cannot sit in position number 3. ये हमें condition given. Fine. Now B यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं. Now E के पास क्या option है? Either this place or this place. Suppose हम E को यहाँ ले जाते हैं, तो C अपनी same position पे आ जाएंगे, which is not possible. C को भी position change करनी है. So E will come here and then C will come here. This was the arrangement for second day. Now let us focus on the third day. Third day पर B के पास the option that we have is position number 5th only. Why? Because B third पर नहीं आ सकते. This is the given condition. B यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं. Now we need to move E to some other position. So the only option is this one. और C के पास ये option रह जाएगा. Now the question was, who sat on seat number 5 on third evening? So it was B only. So the correct answer to this question is B. So I hope this set is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.